Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download State Farm Claims Photo Checklist, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the State Farm website URL. Press enter to load the page. On the home page, look for the search bar. Type Claims Photo Checklist into the search bar. Press enter to initiate the search. Browse through the search results. Locate the link that says Claims Photo Checklist. Click on that link to proceed. You will be directed to the Claims Photo Checklist page. Read the information provided on this page. Look for the download button or link. Click on the download button. A pop-up window may appear. Confirm your download by clicking OK or Save. Choose a location on your computer to save the file. Click Save to start the download. Wait for the download to finish. Once complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Locate the Claims Photo Checklist PDF. Double-click the file to open it. Review the checklist for your claims process. You are now ready to use the checklist for your claims. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.